Hi children, today we will start our new lesson, lesson 4, air, water and weather. From this lesson, today we will study about different forms of water and movement of air. Some days are hot while some are cold. It rains on some days. Some days are even cloudy, windy and humid. All these changes around us in the atmosphere are due to the weather. So what is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere around us at a particular time. So children, we can also say that the changes in the weather are due to the sun, right? How does this causes changes in the weather? The heat of the sun causes winds to blow and also causes changes in the states of water. The three states of water are solid, liquid and gas. Solid form is ice, liquid form is water and gaseous form is water vapor. How hot or cold a day is determined by the amount of heat received from the sun. The part of the earth which is closer to the sun has longer days and is hotter, and the other part has shorter days and is colder. The sun's rays are directly overhead at noon and slanting in the morning and evening. That is why it is hotter at noon than in the morning and evening. The earth also spins on its axis. This is called rotation. Rotation causes day and night. Revolution is the movement of earth around the sun. Revolution of the earth causes our daily weather and climate. Movement of air. The heat of the sun causes winds to blow. When the air gets heated up by the sun, it becomes light and it rises up. Cold, heavier air moves to take its place. This movement of air causes winds. A gentle wind is called breeze. The winds blow from regions with high pressure to those with low pressure. The greater the difference in air pressure, the faster the air moves. Very strong winds are called storms. Storms that occur along with thunder and lightning is called thunderstorms. Sea and land breezes. During the day, the land gets heated up by the heat of the sun. So, the air above the land also gets heated and rises up. Cold air from the sea flows into this place. This is known as sea breeze. This happens during the day. But during the night, what will happen? There is no sun. So the land cools faster than the sea. So the air above the sea is warmer and it rises up, and cool air from the land moves to take its place. This is known as land breeze. Children, you remember one thing, hot air rises up and cool air takes its place. Change of form of water. Water exists in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. When water is heated, it changes into gaseous form. This form of water is called water vapor. This process is called evaporation. The process by which a liquid changes into its gaseous form is called evaporation. Next is cloud formation and water cycle. Water from seas, oceans, rivers and lakes evaporates due to the heat from the sun. As the water vapor rises up, it condenses and changes into tiny droplets of water. These droplets join to form clouds. More and more droplets collect in the clouds and join to form bigger droplets. When these droplets become heavy, they fall as rain. The process of changing of water into water vapor and back to water is a continuous process in nature and takes place in a cyclic manner. This is called the water cycle. Dew. Sometimes on cooler nights, water vapor condenses on things on the ground such as flowers, leaves and vehicles parked in the open. These drops of water are called dew. On very cold nights, dew freezes to become frost. On winter mornings, water vapor in the atmosphere condenses very close to the ground. This forms a dense layer of cloud close to the surface of the earth. This is called fog. Very thin fog is called mist. During very cold winter days, water vapor freezes to form ice crystals called snowflakes. Snowflakes are soft and light and are of different shapes and forms. Sometimes water drops freeze to form small marble-sized pellets of ice. These pellets are not light and fall as hail. Hail is a form of solid precipitation. This activity. Place a kettle filled with water on fire. You will observe steam coming out of the spout. The steam is the gaseous form of water. Water has changed from liquid to gaseous form by the process of evaporation. Now place a pan with ice cold water near the steam. You will observe that water droplets are formed on the bottom of the pan. This process is called condensation. I hope you understood the topic. Study well. Thank you.